now we're on page 8, and this is a very quick page again. Here you're just cutting 3 decorative cuts, so you can do 3 different pockets. And on this one I've used the Walrus Whiskers dies. Okay, so pop that to one side. Page map is here, hinge side here, and then I've got this in the picture of the page map. I've got the whiskers going that way, but I'm actually going to cut them that way round. And because I think you've got 7 in a set, so you get different sizes going down. So when you cut them, and I have 8. It is 8, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so take those out. So that actually looks as though there's nothing there.
Particularly on a busy piece of pattern like that.
This is a really good way to use a really busy piece if you want to sort of, if you love the images but you want to just sort of, it's difficult to sometimes match. So that's that one there, and that's that one there. So I've done it that way because the hinge is going to be there, so you're pulling the tags out that way. Okay, wouldn't matter if you did it the other way around. I just quite like it that way. And the way it's worked out, you've actually got nice bits of the zebras sort of fitting in nicely.
Would you keep those in place while you put the glue on so you know where the cuts are?
You could do, yes. Might be a good idea.
That's what I mentioned.
So Kay's top tip is keep these in place. So it's a good idea, Kay. So you know where the lines are. So let's stick that one there. And if you're wondering what this tape is, it's Scotch low tack artist tape. It's a paper tape that's you can obviously write on, but it's reusable. But the sticks, it's really good stick as well. It doesn't seem to attack the papers. We are trying to find it, but it's a bit of a nightmare at the moment. So that's there like that. So now you'll know you're going to stick.
The way around.
It's all right. Hold on. I'm just trying to work it out. So those are going to be your pocket edges. So that will be a pocket edge. That will be glue there. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Start around the edge to start with. Okay, so that is going to be stuck on there. So that is going to be a pocket edge there, isn't it, at the bottom of that one? It's going to be the same there. And it will need to be...
You've got confused, haven't you?
I have got confused. Okay, let's see what happens.
Well, you're going to stick on both sides, so the middle one you're going to stick on both sides.
Yeah, it's because...
You turned it upside down.
That's why I'm confused.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
Okay. No, I think I am right. Hold on.
The middle one it's going to stick both sides.
Right, so let's put that one down. So that one is correct.
Yeah.
That one needs to be up. So have I put glue on there?
Yes.
Yes, I have. Okay, so that one has got glue on it, which shouldn't have, so we'll take that glue off. And we'll put a bit of
You've got a static bag or something.
put some
Yeah.
waxy paper. Right, so what I would suggest you do is, it's a great idea with that, but also because it's hard to see, maybe stick your first one, then work out your next one's going to go in there, so it's going to be that one there. Okay, got it now. Thank you, Kate.
That's not stick.
That's waxy paper, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no stick on that side. No, the other side.
That
It's
side.
facing you. It was on the non-stick side.
Okay, so let's shove that through there. That's it. And then that one will stick there, which is where I've got the glue. So let's turn that bit off there. Right, okay, that's it. So theoretically, is that going to be correct now? Yes, it is. It just needs straightening up. Thank you, Kay.
It was easily done, isn't it? So it's one of those things.
It is very easily done.
So that's how to get out of it.
How to get in a muddle and out of it.
For a simple page.
And it's well said, Kay, because I would have stuck it on upside down as well.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so
I only do these things to prove that I am actually awake. So,
okay, so that
okay.
oh, well, I only do them like that to see if you are awake.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think nobody's fooled. Hey-ho.
Yeah, well, nice try. Okay, and then that's that one there. So that is page 8, and I'd leave those bits in for now anyway. So that's page 8, all done. So